Welcome to AI Monster Training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create and manage articles. Go to the left menu and click on Create Articles. And choose Create Article from the drop-down. Now you are on the Create Article page. Select your site from the drop-down. You can create your own article. Just enter the title and add your article. You can also add an image to your article. And click on Submit button and your article will be added to your website. Or you can create done for you articles. By inserting the keyword and click on Submit button. And your articles will be generated. You can see your all generated articles in the Manage Articles page, where you can also filter your article by site. You can also delete any article from the list. Go to your site. Click on Blogs and you can see your all generated articles. Thanks for watching the video.